We're doing a different backdrop. We're testing it out. I don't know if it's gonna look good. So this is a test. Anyways, hello. As you probably can tell by the title, I'm very excited by this video. Very, very fucking excited by this video. Today, we are going to be unboxing one pair of beautiful shoes. The Loci X Nicki Minaj. I've been really excited for these shoes ever since she announced them. I don't even know where. On Twitter? I don't even know. I honestly thought I wasn't gonna get them. I'm not that big on like sneaker shoes, so when I saw that they were kind of like sneaker shoes, I was like, if I buy them, would I wear them? If I buy them, would they just sit in the box? Like, what am I gonna do with them? So I made sure that they were a color that I was going to wear, which didn't really seem like a lot because she had a lot of bright ass colors, and the bright ass colors isn't really for me. I'm saying that's a rain fucking yellow. And so we went with the neo black and pink shoes. Pink and black combination. I just like that much better than just wearing pink offhand. Also, obviously I got signed up for the text messages and the emails of when this collection was going to drop. Why did the line pause at like 3,000? And then when I went to look on the website, I caught a pair so easily. What was that line for? I wasn't waiting in line technically. I don't think, but when I saw that the line paused, I got scared and I was like, oh my god, and I went on Twitter and saw that the same thing was happening to everybody else, and then this person was like, oh, just go to the website. I went to the website and I was able to cut myself a pair. Anyways, let's just get into this. I did open these already, obviously, to make sure that they fit me, but I'm gonna go in and unbox everything because I put everything back in there. So I didn't know Loci either was like a vegan shoe brand, which is actually really exciting because I love vegan shoes. The fucking holy grail box. I'm not throwing this box away. Oh, that was also a reason why I copped it, for the box and the shoes. It's not one of those shoes that you pull out. It's one of those shoes that are one of the boxes that go up inside. Nicki Minaj and Loci. Also, the fucking tissue paper. I'll show it a little bit better. So here it is. You open this side and then extra pair of fucking ties. Even has the little Loci brand on it as well. So I got some black ones. I love that. And that's just, oh, fucking gorgeous. This is what they look like. They have the Loci sign right here. The fucking tongue. When I saw that she was gonna be on the tongue as well, also knew I had to cop it. Queen on my feet. Love it. Loci on the back. Regular sides. Also, the fucking inside of the shoe too is like cork material, which I also like that as well. Oh, there's the bottom of the shoes too if you want to see the bottoms. I'll try to get my face out of that. Look at that. Let me show you the tag on the inside, I guess, if you want to see that. I don't know what all y'all people like seeing. I got a 9. It's a 42 in, I believe, Europe. Wait, did I get a 9 or a 10? I think I got a 10. Oh my god, I'm fucking confusing myself. It actually is really loose. Like, it's not too loose. A little like an inch or maybe an inch and a half bigger. I want to say maybe ankle socks or shorter socks. It's not going to be it for me because I feel like the fucking tops are going to slide down my socks pretty bad. That's kind of a reason why I don't wear sneakers, is because of that, but maybe it's a sock thing and not a sneaker thing. So I'm gonna show you guys with the ankle socks that I have on, and the only long socks I have are fuzzy socks. So fuzzy socks will also be shown here. Take your bet. I don't know. I haven't worn them out yet because I'm kind of scared too. I don't know how I feel about it because I don't want to get these dirty, but I also want to wear them, but I also don't. It's a never-ending loop. I would assume that it was gonna be number 1, pricey as fuck, and number 2, shipping was gonna take forever. I don't think shipping even took a week, and then they were only like 195 or like 190 something, so they weren't bad. I really thought they were gonna be at least over 200. I think that they're pretty cool. I'm honestly very, very happy with my purchase. I hope you enjoyed this mini video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe. Check my links down in the description below. Follow me on socials. Go check out my music. Just released a new single. There it is. Go check it out. Let me know what you think about it. Thanks. And honestly, if you don't feel like going through the whole description to find links, first link down in the description below is my link tree, so it literally links to everything. Simple. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye. Come here. Come here. Okay. I don't fucking know.